Alright, Steven and Satya, for your guys' knowledge, I'll unfreeze the screen too so the class can see. We, today, are just going to finish the Chapter 8 closure as homework, and we may at some point take a little day to catch up with things because that's been a request, but we're doing 111 up through, as always, don't do the very last problem. So we're going up to 118. Because we do this together in class. The 119 would be if you were doing this outside of class. Yeah, so don't do 119. Ask me if you have 119. Check your answers as you go. Use your math notes boxes or whatever other help tools that you need. That's essentially it. Do your closure and make sure you're ready for the test. All right, so we might as well actually have this conversation now, so maybe they'll be aware of it. Yes, but all right, so looking at this week, we'd be ready to take your test hypothetically tomorrow, but of course that'd be Wednesday and kind of awkward. So when it comes down to what we need to do and what we have time to get done, I think we're okay. Like, we're tight. And it makes me nervous to even like talk about this because then it's going to bite me in the butt when we end up running out of time. But if I look at what we have left, really we have time is kind of a relative statement. In CPM, most of the ending chapters overlap with the beginning chapters of the next course. So Chapter 12 in Counting and Closure, that's going to be overlap next year. Like, you're going to review that stuff next year too. But this is like 2 weeks worth of content. Right, so that's about 2 weeks, about 10 days. Chapter 11 is less than that, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So about 2 weeks with assessment. It would probably take about 2 weeks to get through that. It's about 10 days there. We're at like 20 days. Again, about 2 weeks here. It's about 30 days. And Chapter 9, more than 2 weeks here, about 40. And that's where we are right now. We have about 40 days of classroom instruction left. So we need to start strategically making these decisions for how we move forward. My plan was going to be tomorrow we start 911, and then we do Mastery Thursday, Friday. Or, and this is where I really need you guys to like give me feedback, another alternative plan could be we do the first 3 sections of 9 tomorrow, Thursday, Friday. Then next week, Monday, Tuesday, we just do your Chapter 8 assessment as the last thing for quarter 3. Or not, like, it won't be a quarter 3 grade, but like last thing we do before discovery days, and then we go. So would you rather have assessment this week or assessment Monday, Tuesday? That's what I need to know, because I don't care. I'm not going to give you like free days. Like, I think we need to utilize our days. Like, that would give you time to catch up on your practice, and then you can do Chapter 9 practice like over spring break or whatever. Like, if you need time to catch up on Chapter 8 practice, we can push the test next week. Like, I don't care when we put it. I just need to know what works for you guys. I also don't know what else is going on in 8th grade.
Nothing is happening, and we're bored out of our minds, so soon would be nice.
Yes. What if we do the test this week, but don't make homework due till next week?
Sure. Is anyone behind?
Levi said he needs to catch up a little bit.
I'm doing 843 right now.
Yeah.
Hunter, Thomas, say you guys with homework? Pretty caught up?
Yes. This one, like, I have one that I need to do, like, the second homework.
None of you are giving me really good definitive answers. And some of you are just being really quiet.
Next week, then. I don't care.
Next week tends to make more sense in my head, because I don't think you guys are going to remember as well things that are taught to you the week before Discovery Days and Spring Break. So do we want to say we just do your Mastery Monday, Tuesday? I know you guys are bored. Hey, Lauren, you've checked out, and we're going to make a decision against what you said.
Okay.
Is it okay if we do it Monday, Tuesday? Just because I think you'll learn better if we do the Chapter 9 stuff this week.
Sure. I mean, we don't really care.
Now, Chapter 9 homework won't matter till after spring break, but I will want your Chapter 8 homework before end of spring break. That'll still go on quarter 4, but I just want you guys to turn it in so it's done and out of your possession. Sweet. So there you go. Satya, Steven, that's what we're doing. Test will be on March 4th and 5th. There we go. And if we're done, if we finish on the 5th early, which hopefully I'll rate the test to try to be a little bit shorter, Hopefully we can do some mind trap on the 5th.
Steven hates Minecraft.
Well, that's his problem, not mine.